Exploring diet topics, we delve into the carnivore diet. It's fascinating to consider its benefits and its role in reversing some serious medical conditions. So what exactly does a carnivore diet entail? Well, it's mainly animal products like meat, fish and eggs, with no plant-based foods at all. From the search, it's clear that this is a restrictive diet of only animal products, excluding all plant-based foods. It's even more extreme than ketogenic diets. Proponents claim benefits for weight loss, mood, and blood sugar, but health professionals are skeptical about its long-term safety and nutrition. Now, let's look into how it might help with diabetes, given the historical uses mentioned in the results from Healthline. Some folks with diabetes report better blood sugar control and weight loss on the carnivore diet. However, health experts warn about the long-term risks and effects. This makes me curious about other serious conditions it might help reverse, like autoimmune diseases or neurological disorders. Case reports suggest the carnivore diet may help with Crohn's and ulcerative colitis, though evidence is limited and needs more research. Some people report improved mental health on the carnivore diet, especially for depression or anxiety, but evidence is mostly anecdotal and needs more studies. High saturated fat and cholesterol in the diet may raise heart disease risk, though recent studies question this link. There's a potential for nutrient deficiencies, especially missing vitamins and minerals from plant foods. I'm thinking about structuring the book with chapters on the diet's definition, benefits for medical conditions, and risks to cover all bases. The diet's environmental impact is worth noting, given the high consumption of animal products affects sustainability. Let's check how to organize the book, starting with defining the carnivore diet clearly. I'm considering chapters on benefits for diabetes, IBD, and mental health, backed by what evidence we have. The book should also address risks like heart disease and nutrient deficiencies, ensuring a balanced view. That's interesting. Maybe add a section on practical tips for starting the diet, like what to eat and when to see a doctor. I'm searching for more info on how to structure this, thinking a short ebook format could work well for readability. The lack of fiber in the carnivore diet can cause constipation and digestive issues, which is a key risk to highlight. High protein intake might strain kidneys, especially for those with pre-existing conditions, adding to the risks. I'm thinking about including advice on consulting a doctor before starting, given the diet's risks and potential benefits. The book could end with a conclusion emphasizing caution and the need for medical supervision. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.